In this video, we shift from a single document example to the full Extractors workflow in Enterprise H2oGPTe. Instead of focusing on one use case, we cover how Extractors work at a system level and how to create, manage, and run them across different types of documents. We'll walk through what an extractor is, how JSON schemas define the structure of your output, and how to configure an extractor with the right LLM. Then we'll move step by step through creating an extractor from scratch, defining its schema using both the builder and code modes, and running it on a collection. This approach gives you a reusable, scalable way to extract structured data from any unstructured content rather than a one-off extraction tied to a single document. In a previous example, we focused on extracting specific metrics from a single document. Here, we take a step back and look at extractors as reusable components you can apply across multiple documents and use cases. Instead of building extraction logic each time, you define it once as a JSON schema and reuse it at scale on any collection. An extractor is a combination of a JSON schema and an LLM that allows you to convert unstructured documents into structured JSON output. The JSON schema defines exactly what you want to extract, such as fields, metrics, or tables, while the LLM interprets the document and maps the content to that structure. Unlike a one-time extraction on a single document, an extractor is reusable. Once created, it can be applied across multiple documents and collections, giving you a consistent and scalable way to structure data. To begin, open the left navigation menu and click Extractors. This is your central workspace to create, organize, and manage all your extractors. From here, you can search, filter, and reuse existing extractors, or create new ones depending on your use case. You'll also see different views like all extractors, my extractors, and shared, making it easy to collaborate and scale usage across teams. Click New Extractor to open the creation form. Give your extractor a clear name and optionally add a description so others understand what it's for. Then choose the LLM you want to use. This list includes model names and also shows the associated cost per token. Next comes the most important part, defining the JSON schema that describes the output you want. Option A, JSON Schema Builder, UI mode. If you prefer a UI-based approach, keep the schema toggle in Builder mode. Then click Add Field or Add Table. For each field you define, choose a type like string, number, or boolean and mark whether it's required. Add as many fields as needed. Option B, JSON Schema Code Mode. If you already have a schema, switch the toggle to Code Mode and paste the valid JSON schema directly into the editor, defining properties, types, descriptions, and required fields. One key point, your schema labels don't have to perfectly match the document's wording. The LLM can interpret the intent of your labels and map them to the right content, even if terminology differs slightly. If you want, add labels to help organize and categorize the extractor. Then, click Create to save it. Now you're ready to run it. In the Extractors table, open the Actions menu. This is the vertical ellipsis and choose Run Extractor. In the dialog, select the target collection from the drop-down and click Run. And that's the full extractor flow. Define what you want, build a schema, choose an LLM, create the extractor, and run it on a collection to produce structured JSON output.